Today, I want to talk about the Tassmpitor iPhone Cleaning Kit, specifically the Snowflake Multitool. This kit is a game changer when it comes to maintaining and restoring the health of your electronic devices. The package includes a port hook, a steel U-brush, and a port wipe, all designed to effectively clean your iPhone, Android, and tablet charging ports. Say goodbye to stains, hair, dust, and other contaminants that can compromise your device's charging capabilities. What sets this cleaning kit apart is its ability to not only clean but also repair and restore unreliable charging and poor connections. If you've been experiencing intermittent charging issues, slow charging, or oxide damage on connectors, this kit has got you covered. It can breathe new life into your charging ports and extend the overall lifespan of your devices. But it doesn't stop there. This versatile kit is also perfect for cleaning your earphones, including AirPods, Galaxy Pro earbuds, and various gaming earbuds and headphones. The metal pen tip and high-density velvet soft brush make it easy to clean lint, grime, and tiny gaps, improving hygiene, audio quality, and charging connectivity. The upgraded structure of the Multitool, crafted from premium silicone and wear-resistant materials, ensures durability and resistance to deformation. The elvish snowflake design adds an elegant touch, making it both functional and visually appealing. One surprising feature is the satisfying click sound when you insert the tools, almost like a stress relief toy. The Multitool can even rotate on a table, adding a fun element to the cleaning process. In summary, the Tassmpitor iPhone Cleaning Kit with the Snowflake Multitool is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their devices in top-notch condition. It's portable, lightweight, and comes with everything you need, including 4 cleaning putty packs and a microfiber cloth. Invest in the longevity of your gadgets. Grab the Tassmpitor iPhone Cleaning Kit today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.